Macam roller coaster lah.
Itu je.
Dah tua. Itu je dah thrilling.
Welcome to Jurassic Park. Bawa aja. Aja.
Anyway, it's always great to be able to gather the entire IMDA family together. The organizers are telling me that we are close to, I think, 2,600 people. And very glad people are still streaming in. It's always wonderful to see the entire family together, not just the direct IMDA family per se, but I think all your family members. I think that's very important.
One more time. Stand by. IMDA listen carefully. Put down your hands. Show me your hands. To our friends from Bird Paradise, this is the wit of the world, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Hello everyone! Apa kabar? Assalamualaikum. Ni men hao. My name is Basil and I will be your guide for today. And today we are going to discover birds from all over the world. But first, meet my friend Sabrina.
Hello everyone! So nice to see all of you here today. Now guess what? I am a birder, which means I don't just look at birds, I look for birds. Okay, so Basil, did you know I've actually traveled from Scotland to Zululand and even all the way down to Antarctica just to see as many birds as I can in just a single year.
That's amazing, Sabrina. So can you tell us how many birds have you seen?
Of course, last year I saw about 700 different species. By the end of this year, I would like to break my own record of seeing 1,000 birds or even more!
Wow! Give her a big round of applause, guys. Alright, Sabrina, how about we start our journey to meet some smart, colorful, and truly incredible winged friends. First up, South America. Let's go. So we'll be taking a drive down to the port, and then a boat ride on the Tambo Mata River. Now here you can see the footprints of a jaguar, or even spot a red howler. Everyone, look around you! Now you are in one of the most biodiverse parts of the planet, the Peruvian Amazon. Now welcome to Chinchorro Macaw Clinic, where hundreds of birds gather every day to feast on clay. Did you know that this is one of the largest clinics of its kind in the world?
Indeed. Okay, so Basil, I want to see more birds, okay? So let's not stop and let's fly together to Southeast Asia. Let's go! So,
Everyone, welcome to Mandai Bird Paradise right here in Singapore. This park is home to 3,500 birds and over 400 avian species. So Sabrina, is that enough birds for you?
no, that's just one species. I want to see more.
Okay. Then I think it's time we meet some special friends of the park. Everyone look up to your left and to your right. Let's welcome Higgins. Now Higgins here is a green-winged macaw. Aquarium macaws are one of the largest species in the macaw family. And Higgins here is about 14 years old.
And right here with me is Katie, our Southern crested cockatoo. Now cockatoos like Katie can be found in Australia and certain parts of Indonesia. Now how do these birds get their name? You see those feathers on their head? That is called the crest. And sulfur is yellow. That is why they're known as the sulfur crested cockatoos.
Now parrots, they mate for life and make devoted parents. They'll take advantage of abandoned tree cavities just like this one right over here to build their nests.
Now speaking about nests, the materials they use are items such as dried leaves, twigs, and even tree barks. Now the tree cavity happens to be very small. They will use their strong and powerful beaks to enlarge them. Now what are we waiting for? Let's see the birds in action!
Good job. Right into the nest. So if you want to see what it looks like from the inside, just take a look at the screen. There's Higgins right over there.
Oh, look, Katie! Hi, Katie!
Hi, Katie. Where's your seat? There you go. The last one? Alright, let me give it up for Katie Higgins as well as the wonderful trainer. A spine. Now in the wild, she would not have survived, but she was nursed back to health right here at Mandai Bird Paradise, where she is a safe and permanent home with us. So little facts about hornbills. Hornbills can only be found in Africa and Asia. They also have a distinctive feature over their beaks that's called a cast. And they also, their cast can range from something big to a small, rich, that's brightly colored, just like the one you see on Olivia right now.
Alright, so now these birds are also great hoppers. So if you sit in a very short while, you can actually see Olivia do some hopping. Olivia, are you ready to hop? Here you go. Isn't that adorable? Hornbills, they actually have 3 crooks up front and broad toes. It helps them to climb up and down branches in the forest. Okay? What's the anything to share?
Their tongues. Their tongues. These birds love to toss fruits back into their mouths. And in fact, they are so agile at flying, they can catch their prey mid-flight. So the very short while Durga will be tossing a fruit high up in the air. And let's see if Olivia can catch it. Alright, Durga? On the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Whoa, good job, Olivia. Can you give it up for Olivia? Oriental pie hornbill, everyone.
Our great pie hornbill! So like Buzzy shared, these birds are in Africa and Asia. By the way, that is not part of the program. Okay, that's actually a compliner right over here. Okay, so now here's a fun fact. In Borneo, where hornbills can be found, the villagers have believed if they happen to see a hornbill flying over an area, even in our village, the unknown is blessed with luck. Interesting, right? Alright, now here's another fun fact about these birds. So the only plant birds with long and beautiful eyelashes. Let's check them out. Move it down to the wing sanctuary. So female hornbills, they are very fussy about their accommodation. You need to be spacious and you need to have a chimney at the top so that they can escape if they need to. She went inside. Now this is when the male hornbill then bring her lunch. So he's doing another great pie hornbill.
So what Sunny is doing is he's getting feed digging through the small gap in the nest cavity. Now in the wild, the male hornbill will feed the female hornbill in their chick for up to about 6 months. So if you're not able to see this loving gesture, not to worry, just take a look at the screen. So here we have the female hornbill checking out and inspecting the nest. And only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. And there she goes. And this is the male hornbill feeding us through the small gap in the nest cavity. Now this unique nesting behavior is shared with nearly all 62 species of hornbills in the world.
That enrichment device which the birds have just landed on is called a monkey fist. It is a rope tied into knots, and what we have done is we've hidden treats inside for the birds to forage. Now this actually helps to bring out their natural foraging behavior. Corneas like them can be found in the jungles of South America. Once widespread, they are sadly now endangered. It is alarming to learn that there are more corneas in people's homes than in the wild. But as you can see, they are sociable birds and are happiest in flocks, so please do not keep a cornea as a pet, okay? And in the world, there are more than 40 species of corneas, and today we have 2 of them.
Ladies and gentlemen, our beautiful wings of the world. Thank you for joining us on our amazing adventure. We hope you had a great time and happy birthday!
Goodbye, everyone!
Owls, vultures, rulers of the skies, hunters and masters of flight. Welcome to Fighters on Wings.
Reminding you that your work.
Hello, very good morning to you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So, how's everyone feeling today? Feeling good? Oh, come on, I'm pretty sure you can do much better than that. How's everyone feeling today? Good? Awesome, that is great to hear. Now, by the way, my name is
is Shawal and I am a raptor ranger. My buddy Daria and I are passionate about understanding and protecting birds of prey.
We conduct rescue and release efforts. We also help to take care of the birds here. And today we are going to introduce to you some of our favorite predators on wings.
And the start takes off a very great look. Do you hear that, everyone?
Very familiar call, right? But where is it coming from? Does anyone see anything? Oh, right there! We now have a white-bellied sea eagle. White-bellied sea eagles, they can be found in Asia, and they're one of the largest but operating achievement spots in Singapore.
The white-bellied sea eagles have feet from on the sides, which allows them to grip onto slippery and struggling prey, just like fish or even snakes. In fact, they specialize in hunting venomous kind of sea prey.
So here with me I have a replica of a venomous sea snake. Now keep your eyes on Nelson. I'm going to toss this into the water. He's going to snatch it from the surface. Here he comes. Diving down in.
Wow!
Wow.
That was awesome indeed. A really good demonstration there. But it happened really fast as well. So for those of you who missed that, not to worry, we have a replay right on the screen. Let's check it out. Amazing. Let's give Nelson another round of applause, everyone.
That is right, everyone. The white-bellied sea eagles are actually my favorite bird of prey spots in Singapore.
But don't forget, there's another raptor that we all should watch out for that can be found in Singapore as well. And that is the brown kite. So let's welcome Rado. And watch this. Wow. The brown kites are agile and maneuverable in flights. They are able to catch their prey in mid-flight easily. Now, having said that, let's see Rado in action one more time. Here he comes, and fantastic indeed. Well, ladies and gentlemen, brown kites are medium-sized raptors, but don't let their size fool you. They can still prey from a bird as big as Nelson or any other white-bellied sea eagle. In fact, you're walking around about in Mandai, don't forget to look up. You might be able to spot wild white-bellied sea eagles or even a few brown kites flying around. And this is how they look like in the skies. Now on the left is the white-bellied sea eagle, at the right, the brownie kite.
So it's very easy to spot the differences between these two birds. First would be the obvious size difference. And then you have the coloration, last but not least, the shape of their wings. So for the white-bellied sea eagles, when they're flying, they have a V-shaped wing with a wedge-shaped tail.
As for the brownie kites, they have M-shaped wing with the U-shaped tail, and of course brownie kites are much more brownish.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, each year about 2 million raptors migrate during the winter from their breeding grounds in Europe and Asia, flying all the way to as far as Africa. This is a perilous journey, and thousands, they never make it to their destination.
Thousands around the world are killed for sport, so we need your help to save and protect these birds, or soon our skies will be empty.
Birds of prey, they are vital to the health of our planet. They help to remove old, sick animals and help to get rid of pests. So one another local species that you can spot right here in Singapore. Now the rodents that these birds hunt for never hear them coming. That's because owls, they are masters of
Dia Malay fish owl kan. Lepas tu awak beri salam. Assalamualaikum.
About silence flight, we have another Malay fish owl waiting patiently. Now everyone, I would just like to remind you, please remain quiet and be as quiet as possible, because you are about to experience the owl's unique ability of a silent flight. Please remain seated. Thank you. Wow. I'm pretty sure none of you heard anything at all. Let's give lots of you a round of applause. Thank you. And the reason owls are capable of silent flight is because they have soft edges at the tip of their feathers, which alters air turbulence and reduces noise, making their flights as silent as a whisper. And they also have incredible eyesight and binocular vision, just like us.
The colors of an owl's eyes also tells us when they like to hunt. So owls with yellow color eyes, well, they like to hunt during the day. Owls with orange eyes, they like to hunt during sunrise and sunset. Last but not least, owls with black eyes, well, they like to hunt during the night.
Now, I'm pretty sure everyone heard about this interesting fact that we're going to share next. Owls are capable of eagles. Ladies and gentlemen, Susie has been with us for over 26 years, right? She is 33 years old, and of course, she's a much-loved member of the IMDA family.
Zoos are good partner. This one, animals, they tend to live a lot longer than they would in the wild. So this would mean that they would retire after working for many years. Been excited, huh, Susie?
Alright, probably because I mentioned about the age. Okay, take a look on the screen as well about our shaded retirement area where the senior birds live in. And of course, when they retire, they get this special environment, healthy diet, and even extensive medical care.
And if you take a look at the screen, we have one of our staff giving Susie some eye drops. This is to help her with the cataracts in her left eye.
And of course, our next singer is Ethan, the senior Brahmanite star from the Oval Park. Now, Ethan needs to be hand-fed daily because he is partially blind. Now, speaking about retirees, they love to stay active and stimulated, which is why Susie is out here making an appearance to see all of you today.
That's right, but it's now for Susie to check in with a team of vets and trainers. So let's give Susie a big hand, everyone, our American Bald Eagle. Thank you.
Our Southern President, Cara. Hello.
This is an unusual bird of prey. He prefers to spend most of his time on the forest ground foraging for food. And as you can see, Raul is very busy right now using his long legs and flat claws to overturn the rocks in search of insects. Or in this case, the treats that have been hidden underneath these rocks. And I think he has 2 more to go. Yes, he needs to recheck his rocks now. Just in case he misses anything. Okay, one last one. Can he find it? Not that one. You just checked that, Raul. Yes, you checked that twice already. How about this one right over here? Yes. No, not that one, this one, sir. There you go, well done, Raul. He raises nests and even steals food from other birds. But if the insects were to take off and fly away, they are able to do vertical flights into the air to catch them just like this.
Okay, not bad, but can we try higher, Daria?
Of course. Alright, Raul, let's go higher, okay? Are you ready? And all the way up! There you go.
Oh, awesome. You know what? Let me try that as well. So, Raul, come over to my side. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Awesome indeed. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. The turkey vulture.
Ke belakang tu je.
This means if there is a dead animal, the turkey vultures would be the first ones on the scene. Other vultures would follow suit, but the other vultures would be doing the hard work of ripping apart the tough skin of the dead animal.
The fun fact about turkey vultures is that their stomach acid is acidic as batteries. This allows them to digest carrions very very well. And Zida, thank you very much for joining us on stage. It is time to fly back to your radar. Oh, good. Ladies and gentlemen, Zida, our turkey voucher. Our next scavenger is also from the Americas. Now, in my legends, these birds are seen as the messengers between humans and gods, earning them the title of king. Now, these beautiful birds are the only vulture with multicolored heads and piercing light-colored eyes.
Joining us on stage, we have our senior and experienced trainer, Sui Shi. Everyone say hi, Sui Shi. There you go. And if you take a look at him, he's holding on to a target stick. Now this is a tool that animal trainers would use to guide and direct the animal to the positions that they want them to be. Alright, Sui Shi, are you ready? He's ready.
Alright, you know what? Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Goncalves, our magnificent King Vulture!
Soaring at altitudes of up to 8,000 feet, the king vultures reign over other vultures in the skies. And when they descend upon the carcass, other vultures would make way for the king. And this is because the king vultures, they have powerful root wings and strong firm feet to rip, tear, and even turn over a medium-sized carcass.
Oh, but they don't just intimidate small vultures, right, Arya?
That's right, they are one of the most aggressive of their kind, and up close you can hear them hiss as they approach. So that's why we have Sui Shi, our senior and experienced trainer, to work alongside Goncalves.
And it's time for our king to make his leave. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give our king vulture a royal send-off. Thank you. Now all eyes on the big screen, please. It looks familiar, right? The middlemen that feeds on organs and yet aggressive. But what you wish carcass will wait nearby before starting to feed. But once they get going, about 100 birds will gather for a meal and stream a large carcass feed in less than 20 or even 10 minutes. Once while you come across Africa, they are now critically endangered and disappearing at an alarming rate. Very competitive feeders indeed. Alright, then don't forget to be got two more scammers to join us on stage. By the meantime, I would like to remind everyone, please remain seated. This is for your safety. Alright, and let's welcome our Microsoft from Africa. Take a look at that, they have the dagger like beak and a stern over their face.
They cooperate and coexist with the vultures, joining them in the feast. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, about 11 species of vultures in Africa help us clean up to 70% of the continent's carrier. So we would all be in a lot of trouble without vultures. Isn't that right, Shawan?
That's right, Maria, because around the world we are losing these amazing birds for many reasons. The poison carcasses, deforestation, electrocution, and even superstitious belief. The many are now critically endangered, and conservation efforts will be the only way to save these amazing birds from becoming extinct. So let us now take a moment and appreciate these wonderful birds for keeping our environment safe and clean. Let's give them a big round of applause.
They return to the colony fewer than 5 times over the next few months to feed the chicks. Some parents do not make it back at all, and some chicks do not make it to spring.
Okay, you try him. Just go there, take video. Who there to walk? One single file. Walk one single file. Just keep walking straight, one single file. Bising. This is the noisiest parrot lah. Just now the one he said very loud one. Wow, very loud.
What's inside that thing?
Don't know lah. Why don't you go and find out?
I don't know. Hey,
I'm just a chill guy.
you can see the head.
Mana sila? Okay.
Just chilling there, bro. You can do anything there, bro. Go to friends.
Yeah, I can do.
What do you think? Like.
Wallaby, that one.